Well, good afternoon from Amarillo. I am really not feeling well. I am sick. Oh, we gotta get going. Something I ate last night, I guess, didn't agree with me. Now my stomach and everything is not working right. But we'll see what we can do. If it gets too much, I'm just gonna be late, I guess. I don't know. So we'll get rolling here. Get rolling. Make sure you go check out the other channel, Trucker Eric Production. They put a new video up there you might find hilarious. We're gonna get out of here. You ready? Sean ordered a new turbo. When I get the Winco, I can lay down for about 2 or 3 hours. Without getting bothered. Hopefully, we can get out of here. Maybe we can get out of here. Truck's all washed and stuff, but looks like it missed a few spots. Ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing new. Everyday ties back in. All the room in the world, dude. All the room in the world. I am not feeling good at all. I slept, had to go to the bathroom, slept, had to go to the bathroom again. Slept, and I had to go to the bathroom again. Now I'm just waiting to go to the bathroom again. This guy's gonna take forever to back in. Food poisoning, I think. Food poisoning or something like that. Need to start drinking. I'll stop. Make sure I have enough water somewhere. Try to at least get me rehydrated. Try. This guy is taking forever. Must be his wife backing up. Ain't even got a step on this side. Oh, I guess almost in where they gotta go. Yeah, we gotta go to Winco with the 4 stops today, and I'm not feeling good. Well, hopefully, like I said, we can get 3 or 4 hours of sleep down in Winco. Doinky bouncy, 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 bouncy. Alright, we'll see you down in Denton. Oh, we're in Jolly. We're gonna stop here and take a small break, grab the stuff we need for the day, and make our way down to Winco and Denton. Having no turbo or barely turbo working is like not working for me. Slow ride, I tell you. Jamming everything up. Can cure truck parking problems first.
stove. And knock, you can take it to a 3-hour nap. Something like that. Something like that. You'll arrive at your destination. There we go. Arrive at your destination. Way to go, no trouble. Truck snacking. I don't know what stops next. We'll figure it out here in a minute. Figure it in a minute. At least they'll let you park inside the gate. Even though we're like real early. Ain't nothing new for me. Can't find a gear, might as well just throw it neutral, huh? Alright, we'll see you when we get out of here, but don't forget you. Never fails, you're taking a good nap. 2 hours later, they're calling you and say, hey, paperwork's ready. My alarm didn't even go off yet. So we're leaving Wimco and then we gotta head on home. We're all by Dallas. Lippman. Head to Hardy's Food or something like that. And then Blue Apron. And we'll be done for the day. Yes, we will.
Turn right onto Southwestern Boulevard.
Sending them a message saying I'm Hardy. Winfield. Let me check my merchandise. Limpin' Hardy's Fruit. Blue Apron. Blue Apron, I tell you. Where are they cars coming from? They're not taking it easy either. That was fun. He was flying into his Camaro. Alright, we'll see you down in Dallas, eh?
Yes, I forgot you when I came in. I apologize. So we're done in Lippman's at our second stop. Now we're moving on to our third. And our fourth shouldn't be so bad. Ain't much pallets left. Not gonna get reloaded today. Because I ain't feeling well. I think they're gonna just let me try to recover a little bit. I haven't tried to eat anything yet either. Haven't tried to eat anything either yet. I'm not worried about doing that. So we gotta go back on the other side of the Dallas now. At least our other stops ain't too far apart. yet. Because if it did that, we'd have oil all down the trailer, on the cab, everywhere. It ain't got no power. That's alright. We can handle it. We can handle it. That's why I call this truck no boost. No boost. No boost. Well, we'll go to the TA, fill up, hopefully get a parking spot there. Do whatever we gotta do tomorrow. Too bad. This takes me a little bit longer to get up to speed, but well, you don't hear that turbo whistling anymore. That was a sign it was going out. Get the TA, open the hood, and I'll look into it. If we sucked out fins or whatever. Alright, we'll see you at the next stop if I don't forget. Well, we're at another destination with no place to park. Do I tell me to move? I'll move, I guess. I don't know what to tell them. A couple pallets.
You don't go 8.
Alright.
Yeah, you can go in and open the doors too.
Alright, thank you. Oh. Pretty easy. Yeah, they were waiting for me. We do this. The other camera died. Well, we're gonna get out of here. I gotta go close my door real quick. We're gonna get out of here, make our last stop, and then head to the truck stop for the day. Do all that. Get back on 30. 30. Sharp turn here. Yeah, almost done with this day. Shouldn't take us too long at the last stop. Well, we had a 3 o'clock appointment, so they might say, yeah, you gotta wait. That pickup is not in a good parking spot. Go down
down there and park. Then we gotta get left out on this busy road. No stoplight. Interesting, eh? Taylor Farms are right here too. This ought to be interesting. Two pallets left out of 25. Could be interesting, maybe not. Maybe so. This could be interesting. Could be interesting, could not be interesting. Especially not having a turbo. Turbo can make it really interesting. Alright, we'll see you at the last stop. Oh no. Almost to our other destination. That guy wasn't too bad, was he? Let's make a U-turn in the middle of the street, no biggie. No biggie. Too long last time I was here. Of course, we were right up against the clock last time. It's a windy day here in Dallas. Yep. It's just blowing away. That way. sitting there. It's not what happened. Up this way. thing, huh? Good thing for me, I guess. See you in a bit. I forgot you on the left out of Grand Prairie there in Blue Apron. Anyways, we're in Dallas. We're gonna put fuel in, grab a parking spot. Supposedly we go to Waco tomorrow to load. Open this hood up. See if I can help get the turbo back a little bit. Figure out what's going on there. The turbo had gone, I'd already blew it out. I mean, the oil would be coming out of the stacks. Could have lost some fins though too, so it wouldn't matter there. Might have to wait for a fuel spot. Make it illegal U-turn back there. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for fuel. Yay me, everybody wants to take their 30-minute break in the fuel aisle. I guess he's going into Freightliner. Everybody wants fuel. Well, I can't get fuel. I can't park until I get fuel. So lovely. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely.